Welcome. In front of me is a Poco M6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen. Now make sure you do it from the right side on here. And on one of the pages, we should have our Do Not Disturb toggle. For me, it is on the second page right over here where it says DND. Once you see it, hold this little moon icon and this will quickly take you to the settings, from which you can then select Do Not Disturb. Simply tap on the text and this will take you to these settings where you can customize it. Now we don't have very many options here, but obviously go over them, change them to fit your exact needs, and once you have done so, you can close this, and when you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle and tap on it. And this will then permanently enable it. Permanently, because to turn it off you need to also do that yourself. Some other devices do have the option to set it up on a timer, as an example. Here we don't have that option, so the best course of action if you tend to forget about your Do Not Disturb mode would be to navigate back into the settings and select it to be on a schedule mode. Even though you might want to just enable it manually from time to time, schedule mode will make it so we can set it up, and this will then turn off your Do Not Disturb mode if you forget about it. So let's navigate right here to the schedule turn on time. I'm gonna add a rule. You can select it to be every day, and then start time, make it 11 p.m. is good enough, and I'm gonna make it to 11:01 p.m. which means that now, once set and enabled like it is right now, if I turn on the Do Not Disturb mode and I forget about it, at 11 it will be enabled, which it already is, so nothing will happen. But at 11:01, once it's enabled, the timer basically ticks out, and it means that it needs to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode, which will do so. So obviously that will turn on your Do Not Disturb mode, and you don't need to really worry about it at that point. Though obviously this will only happen once per day, so you would need to wait. And the way that it's set up right now for me, I would need to wait till the end of the day till it actually turns off. So just something to keep in mind. But anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.